In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Fresha efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your website's analytics at your fingertips, ready to provide insights into your business. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Fresha. You'll want to ensure you're logged in, so go ahead and enter your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the main menu. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Add-ons. Click on it. This is where you'll find all the additional features you can integrate with your account to enhance your functionality. While browsing through the available add-ons, you'll want to keep an eye out for either the Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager add-on. These are the tools that will link your Fresha account with Google Analytics, which is crucial for tracking the various metrics of your business's online presence. Once you've located the correct add-on, tap on View to take a closer look at the details it offers. After reviewing the information, you'll find an Enable or Install button. Go ahead and click on that to initiate the installation process. During the setup, you'll be prompted to enter a tracking ID or a measurement ID. This ID is essential as it links your properties on Google Analytics with Fresha. If you haven't already done so, navigate to your Google Analytics account and head to your property settings to find this ID. Make sure to copy it carefully, as this sequence of numbers and letters plays a vital role in the integration process. Paste your tracking or measurement ID into the appropriate field in Fresha when prompted. This ID allows the information to flow between the two platforms, giving you seamless access to analytics. Remember to follow any additional on-screen instructions that pop up, as skipping these might result in an incomplete setup. These can include agreements or settings, personalizations required by Google Analytics or Fresha. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Be patient. Keep in mind that it can take up to 48 hours for the integration to begin collecting and displaying data in your Google Analytics account. Don't be alarmed if you don't see immediate results. Check back after a couple of days to ensure everything is functioning as expected. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to integrating Google Analytics with Fresha. With this setup, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions based on the rich data provided by your analytics. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.